Tired of wrestling with complex website builders? Imagine crafting a stunning, lightning-fast WordPress site in minutes, powered by artificial intelligence today. We're diving into 10web AI, the revolutionary tool that makes the dream a reality. Let's get started by heading over to the 10web AI platform. Once you're logged in, you'll see a prominent option to create a new website. This is where the magic begins. The core of 10web AI lies in its intelligent prompts. Simply describe your website's niche, target audience, and any specific design preferences you have. For example, we'll describe a modern, clean website for a photography portfolio. As you input your details, 10web AI gets to work, analyzing your input and generating a unique website design. It's like having a personal web designer at your fingertips, considering everything from color schemes and typography to the overall layout. And just like that, a fully functional WordPress website is generated. You'll see a complete site structure, pre-filled with relevant sections like an about page, services, and contact forms, all tailored to your input. Notice how the design is already responsive, adapting perfectly to different screen sizes. 10web AI also populates your site with relevant placeholder content, giving you a fantastic starting point to customize. From here, customizing your site is incredibly intuitive. You can easily edit any text, replace images with your own content, and rearrange sections to perfectly match your vision. No coding required, just simple drag-and-drop functionality. With 10web AI, building a fast, user-friendly, and visually appealing WordPress website has never been easier. So go ahead, build your dream site today and experience the power of AI-driven web design.